Hello back. You can use a variety of editor if you're gonna work with JavaScript. First of all, and the most recommended one is Visual Studio Code, which basically we're gonna work with it throughout this course. As well, you can see Visual Studio Code can work with Windows or even Mac OS, or if you are working with Linux, it's also supported. Perfect. You can also download Sublime Editor and start working with us using this editor. As well, you can use Atom. Atom as well support Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever, or you can use codeben.io. All you have to do is to go to this website and just click Start Coding, which it will provide you three files: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You start, put your code here and there and there, and you can find the result is here. Moreover, that if you are writing JavaScript code, you can find your result inside this tab, console tab. And the last one, if you would like to work with JavaScript in a desktop application, you can use Node.js. Please refer to my complete course in Node.js so you can know more about it. But throughout these sessions, we're gonna focus only on JavaScript throughout web.